Hello, we are doing some work with vectors, and this time we'll be using letters to represent vectors instead of column matrices. So we have a parallelogram, and AB, vector AB is equal to little a, so we want to write that in. Vector AB is little a, common a, and vector AD is common B, so we will write that in. So from A to D is common B. The point Q is located on BD such that there's a ratio given there 1 to 2. Right, in terms of A and B, you have BD, vector BD. Okay, so we are trying to figure out how to get from B to D. Is there another way to get from B to D? Yes, there is. There are other ways to get from B to D. This is one of the ways. You can go from B to A, and when you reach A, then you go from A to D. Right? So we are following the blue arrows, and we want to write that down. BD is equal to BA plus AD. Okay, so BA is the opposite of AB, right? So that will be negative AB, right? Plus AD is little b. Okay, this is AD here, little b, common b. So negative AB will just be negative common A plus common B, which will give B subtract A, and this is the answer for part A. Right, so BD equal B minus A. Alright, so let's do part B now. So part B is with BK, and BK is equal to, using the ratio, add 1 and 2, so you'll get 1 out of 3 times the length of the whole line, or the length of the whole vector, which is BD. Alright, so remember we are using the ratio, and we are saying BK represent 1 part out of 3 equal parts, which is 1 over 3, 1/3 of the whole, right? So BD was already worked out. Alright, this is what we worked out for BD here, and we're going to use it now. B minus 2A, so 1/3 times B minus A, sorry, not 2A. So we are multiplying 1/3 times B and then 1/3 times negative A using the distributive law. So we get 1/3 times B is 1/3 B, and 1/3 times negative A is minus 1/3 A. Okay, this can also be written as B over 3 subtract A over 3. Okay, right, so that's it for part B. Part C now, they ask us to find KC. Alright, so let's draw a line connecting K to C, a green line. The vector put in an arrowhead going from K to C. How do we get from K to C? Well, we can go this way. We can go from K to B, and then we can go from B to C. Right? We can take other roads, but we are picking this road to work with for now. Right? You can try other ways on your own. So KC is equal to KB, following the green arrows, KB plus BC. Alright, we worked out BK and we got B over 3 minus A over 3. So to get KB now, that will be the negative of BK. Okay, the opposite of BK. Right? BC, let's get that. Now, opposite sides are equal in magnitude and direction. Alright? In this case, because we are going from B to C, the same direction as A to D, right? So the BC has the same magnitude as AD, so we can just write B over here, up here. Right? BC is equal to common B. So negative BK will be negative B over 3 minus A over 3 plus B. So we expand the brackets, and negative by a positive is a negative, and a negative by a negative is a positive. So we get plus A over 3 plus B. Final answer, A over 3. And we have 1 subtract 1/3, which is 2/3. So plus 2B all over 3. Okay, that is our answer for KC. Alright, so I hope this was helpful for you. Take your time, go through it slowly, and practice as many past papers as you can. Have a good day.